Today I'm going to read the preface, not the entire preface, but some of the preface of Muzzio Clementi, The Art of Playing Piano. That's right here. And we're going to continue working on the Paul Hindemith Elementary Training for Musicians. On the preface here shows the name of the notes on the treble clef, bass clef, on the tenor, alto, on the C clef. But we are going just to start today, just the treble clef. So the notes on the treble clef. First off, the music staff, that is 5 lines in 4 space. Those 5 lines in 4 space for the treble clef. The second line is the signature of the treble clef. I'm just sorry. The signature of the treble clef is the second line. Second line that give the name of the treble clef, so that's Sol or G. So if you go up on the higher pitch, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and repeat again the name of the notes. A, B, C, and so on. Descend is G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. So when you go towards the larger lines below the musical staff on the treble clef, it's better to write on the bass clef instead. So you don't see those so many larger lines. Okay, so the signature of the treble clef is on the second line. That is the G note. So the G note is on the second line. F is on the first space. E is on the first line. E is on the first space below the musical staff. E4, your middle C, is the first larger line below the musical staff. B3 is the second space below the musical staff. A3 is the second larger line below the musical staff. B3 is the third space below the musical staff. F3 is the third line below the musical staff. So 1, 2, 3, see below. Musical staff is a group of 5 lines in 4 spaces. 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E, 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 G, F. The space is F, A, C, E. So you get used to with the, how I say, see with your eyesight when you memorize the place of the notes. But let's do one exercise here. For now, let me see here. Sorry. We're going to do an exercise now that was how I say, the repercussion was on 1922, below my time, before my time. So not a Kodali that you guys know, but let's do Heitor Villa-Lobos with your hands, okay? So that is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. We're doing just memorize the name of the notes. Let me add first, please. Sorry. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay? Now with your hands, like C, D, F. Again, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Again, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, high N. Okay, again, C. So you repeat with me. Say C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Again, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now descending. This software called Muzzio Score. I'm going to write on the chat, okay? And this software is free. The software for you to use offline is free. Okay, again, we are saying the name of the notes here, but with the solfeggio. So, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. One more time. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Descending C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. I'm not sure if I can sing, but the last also. C, D, F, G, B, C, C, D, F, E, D, C. Let's do it with me. Ready? C, D, F, G, B, C, C, B, G, F, E, D, C. Now the sound of music. C, D, C, C, D, F, F, E, D, F, E, F, G, G, G. Now in solfeggio. Do, re, mi, do, mi, do, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, re, fa, mi, fa, sol, mi, sol, mi, sol, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, la, sol, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si. I'm here on the magic also. Si, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, si, la, fa, si, sol, do, sol, mi, re, do, re, mi, Don't be, don't be. Okay, I'm going to do it slow, okay? Do, re, mi, do, mi, do, mi. Let's repeat with me, ready? Do, re, mi, do, mi, do, mi. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, fa. Again from the beginning. Do, re, mi, do, mi, do, mi. Oh, do, re, mi, do, mi, do, mi. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, fa. Mi, fa, sol, mi, sol, mi, sol. One more time in solfege and after with the name of the notes with the alphabet, okay? Do, re, mi, do, mi, do, mi. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, fa. Mi, fa, sol, mi, sol, mi, sol. Now with the alphabet name, so C, V, C, C, D, F, F, E, D, F, E, F, G, G, G. One more time with the alphabet. C, D, C, C, D, F, F, E, D, F, E, F, G, G, G. So why is this important? Because if you do not know the name of the notes, you cannot recognize the melody. Just to read without any instrument. So therefore the solfege comes. So when you know how to sing the tune of the notes. And the natural notes that we have just 7, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C is the repetition. And in solfege is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, not chi. Chi on condale because it's the movable do. But you're not doing the movable do, you're doing the solfege, that is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, C, S, I, do. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. We have the natural notes. Natural notes are those 8 notes or 7 notes. And the natural half step is the E and F and B to C. Those are the only natural half steps or semitones. All the others are artificial. For example, I'm going to do C to C. Those are half step. Oh, look to the piano. Can you see the piano here? Oh, I'm going to play the C sharp. Oh, this measurement here is half step. From one white to the black key, black to white is half step, white to white. E, F is the only semitones or half steps. Natural. All the others artificial that you're going to make. So the C sharp, D, D flat, C. Look here, the C sharp and D flat, they are in the same key on the piano. This is called enharmonic. I wrote the harmonic scale of the half and half step. C to C sharp, half step, or C to C sharp, half step. C sharp to D natural, half step. D to D sharp, half step. D sharp to E, half step. E to F is the natural semitone or the natural half step. F to sharp, half step. F sharp to G, half step. G to G sharp, half step. G sharp to A, half step. A to A sharp, half step. A sharp to B, half step. B to C, the natural semitones or half step. And where did I find all those sharps and flats? Those sharp is when you alter the natural note, the pitch of the natural note by half step. Let me just put it here, sorry. I'm going to copy and paste, okay? I'm being lazy right now. Copy and paste. So sharp alters the pitch of the natural note by half step ascending. Look on the keyboard, look on the piano. Ascending. Natural note, sharp note. Sharp note to natural note. Natural note. Natural note to sharp note. So this, the sharp elevates the pitch of the natural note by half step. Flat note. I kept the natural semitones or the natural half steps. Okay? You see, between E and F and B and C, I kept them natural. So. So now let's hear the descending with the flat. Okay? So flat, diminish, I'm not sure how to say that, let's see. Alter the pitch of the natural note by half step descending. So E, B flat, yeah, B natural, B flat, A natural, A flat, G natural, G flat, F natural, E natural, the semitone natural, E natural, E flat, D natural, B flat, and C. So sharp elevates by half step, flat diminished by half a step. And the natural note. Let's see the natural natural accidental. Aha. I do the program, okay? Now, ó. What the natural or the B quadro does, null any music accidental. The music accidental that you have is sharp, flat, double sharp, and double flat. Let me put double sharp. Sorry. Double sharp. Double flat. See, the D double flat is in the same key as the C natural. Look here to the keyboard. See, D double flat, because lower the pitch of the note by one whole step. D natural, flat, double flat. With the E. E natural, E flat, E double flat. Can you look here? Let's do step by step. Here, look on the music now on the piano. E natural, E flat, E double flat. Would not have triple flats, neither triple sharps, okay? So E natural, E flat, E double flat. D natural, let me put here. D natural, D flat, here. D natural, D flat, D double flat. D natural to D flat is 1/2 step. D flat to D double flat is another half step, so one whole step. 2 half steps is equal to one whole step. So D natural to D double flat is one whole step. E natural to E double flat is one whole step. They call super augmented interval, but we are going to work on the interval later on. But now G natural, G flat, G double flat. So G natural, G flat, double flat. Last single division. So G flat, G double flat, G, G double flat. Now G to G double flat. G, G double flat. Last one from D. G flat. Now D to D flat. G, D to D double flat. D, D double flat. So one whole step. D, D, D double flat. Why is that? Why I don't just write the C? Because of the harmony. The harmony justify, we use those accidentals to justify the harmony, okay? Any questions until here? No questions? Like we're on the interval, let's talk about the interval. Major second. All those are major second on the natural scale, that ionic or jonic, okay? That we just these are that's all the ionic or jonic. The name of this scale is the model. Major of all major scales. To build any major scale, we go from the C major. Okay, that's C major. Has those names here. JONIC or IONIC is a model, is a major model for the C major. For any, if I'm going to build the D major scale, I go from that model here, ascending and descending. So C, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. Now let me write this for you. Whole step in this case is a major second. Okay? All those here are major second, whole step. Now, minor second or half step or semitone. Semitones, minor second. We just have to E to F and B to C. Okay, all the others are whole step, major second in this case, because they're conjunct interval, consecutive interval, see how consecutive. Now the semitones will have steps. Why I'm saying second? Because they have two notes, so 1, 2, 1, 2 notes. If I add, how can I say third? Or C to D, C, D, E, C, D, E, D to F, D, E, F, E to G, E, F, G, F to A, F, G, A, G to B, G, A, B, A to C, A, B, C. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now, major third has two whole steps. C to E, whole step. D to E, whole step. So this is major third. D to E, whole step. E to F, half step. Minor. minor third. Has one whole step and one half step. One whole step and one half step. Okay. Now, who can answer me? Answer me on the chat. Each dia is major third or minor third? Could you answer, please, on the chat? Each F, half step. F to G, whole step. So one whole step and a half step is a minor third. Minor third because it has one whole step and one half step. Okay. A minor third has one half step. When the whole one major third has two whole steps. That's the case here, is a major. Now, who can answer for me now, these are? Whole step. Whole step. Is this major or minor? Very good, the whole step, very good. But now is major. This is major or minor? It's major third or minor third? Has how many whole steps? So 1, 2. Who has two whole steps is a major third. Major third has two whole steps. Now let's see the next one. Has one half step, so it's going to be whole step, half step. So one whole step and one half step is a minor third. Because it has one whole step and one half step. Okay, so now I'm going to send, let's do 3 exercises here. I'm going to, and you just answer on the chat, okay? You just tell me if it's major or minor third, okay? This one is major or minor third, major or minor third, major or minor third. C to E. C, E. Let's sing up. C, C, D, C, D, C, C. Is major or minor? Now, very good is major, very good how? Now, E, 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 F, C, E, F, C, E, G, E, to F, half step, F to G, whole step, so E, F, G, has one whole step and one half step. Very good, minor. Now, F, E, F, G, whole step, whole step. Two whole steps makes, with the three notes, makes one minor or major third. Very good, major. So from now on, for example, I sent to you guys one music. Let me see if I have it here. The Bach Prelude number 1. Now, can you write for me the name of the notes? Just on the treble clef, okay? How do you go to add text? Let's put as a lyrics. G, C, E, G, C, E, G, C, E, G, C, E, A, D, F, A, D, F, A, D, F, A, D, F. So how do you write the name of the note? Press space, D space, F space, 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 the name of the note, space. Okay, so you can write for me. On the Muzzio Clementi, he talked about the clefs, but you're going to be just on the scale of the treble clef, okay? So the signature of the treble clef is on the second line. All notes on the second line is going to be called G on the treble clef. All notes on the second line is going to be called G on the treble clef. Now the name also G, A, B, C, E, E, G, A, F, C, A, F, B, C, E, G, C, A, F, G, F, D, C, G, A, F, D, B, E, G, C, G, A, F, D, B, C, and so on and so forth. The intervals. Who would like to read for me that the point of gravity or acuteness, which means that is the lower pitch and the higher pitch. This English here is from what country? Who can tell me what country is that? Australia. What I found out from Australia. The list of our internals is called a semitone, which means the minimum of the interval that we can have between one note to another note is the half step or semitone between E to F and B to C. So C to D is whole step, D to E is whole step, E to F is half step, F to G is whole step, G to A whole step, A to B whole step, and B to C half step. That's on the bass clef. C, D, major second, D, C, E, major third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, major sixth, major second, and octave. We're going to en passant now, right now, I'm not going to work with the C clef, okay, neither with the bass clef, just the treble clef. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, F, D, B, G, F, D, B, C. The rhythm notes, semi-breve or the whole note, minima or the half a note, crotchet or the quarter note, quaver, eighth note, semi-quaver, 16th note, then semi-quaver is the 32nd note. The division and subdivision of the whole note. One whole note is equal to 2 half a notes. One half a note is equal to 2 quarter notes. One whole note is equal to 4 quarter notes. One quarter note is equal of 2 half. One quarter note is equal to 2 eighth notes. One half a note is equal to 4 eighth notes. Sorry. One whole note is equal to 8 eighth notes. One eighth note is equal to 2 16th notes. One quarter note is equal to 4 16th notes. One half a note is equal to 8 16th notes, and one whole note is equal to 16 16th notes. So on and so forth. Crotchet is the quarter note. Let me write this here. Quaver is the eighth note. Semi-quaver is your 16th note. Demi-semi-quaver is your 32nd note. Okay? Here he talks about the dot. The first dot, augmented dot, will augmented with the tempo of the note by half step, by half time, half a note. Not half a note of the half a note, but half of the note. So that is half a note. The half of the half a note is the quarter note. So that dot is going to be the quarter note. If it's on the quarter note, so if I have a quarter note with one dot, let's see if we have here. No, just one dot is going to be quarter note plus eighth note with the tie. Now it's already past the time, so we are going to talk later on about those dots. We have augmented dots, we have diminished dots, and we have different types of tie. We have tie for the duration, tie for the expression, that legato, and the time in division, time signature. Okay, the next time. Any question? Now let's do to finalize, let's do the exercise number 3 of Paul Hindemith, elementary training for musicians, printed page 5. Preview page 19. Let's get my little hammer here. It's the lollipop. So. Ta, 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 ta. I could not see the. I don't have voice, but you guys have. Let's do with me, letter A, right? Count for 1, 2, 3, go. Ta, 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 ta. Eita, my voice is. Letter B. We count to 4, and you have to start with the rest here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. It isn't you here, no? Let's do letter No. Ah, we did this last time, sorry. I'm going to skip this here because let's go for the exercise 10 is page 19, printed the 33, the preview 33 and printed 19, okay? Let's do it slow. Exercise 10. Let's count 2 in blank. So 1, 2. Ta 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 ta. Again, letter A. 1, 2. Ta 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 ta. Letter B. This that I'm doing here is the chord note that's on the bottom. So that constant chord note I'm doing with my. Okay, letter B. Count to 4 in blank. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta 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 ta. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta 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 ta. From here, please, from the second line here. Ta 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 ta. Letter C. I will count 2 in blank. 1, 2. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. One more time, but slow, okay? 1, 2. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. My voice is horrible. I'm losing my voice. Also, ta 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 ta. Rest ta 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 ta. That division and subdivision of the whole note means the rhythm. As further as we are from the whole note is going to be faster. So here, as closer from the chord note, the same thing. So ta, the eighth note. So ta, 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 ta. The 16. Ta, 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 ta. Slow. So ta, 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 ta. Rest. Ta, 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Letter D. Ta 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 ta. So we continue next time. So prepare that page 19, okay? If you have time, if you have any question, just call me, send me an email, and we work together. Thank you. Have a nice evening.